Today I'm going to be making a dump cake in a crock pot because it's summertime. You're going to need blueberry pie filling or any pie filling you like, stick of butter, and a cake mix. On to the recipe. First thing you're going to do is plug in your crock pot and turn it on high because you're going to cook it 2 hours. Then you're going to empty your pie filling. This ain't hard to do. The reason why I'm doing it this way is because it's too hot to have the oven on. And you're just going to make sure it's even. Now I'm going to take one of my spoons and kind of level it out to make sure it's all over the berries. That way it's even. Now we're going to put the butter on. I cut it into pads, and you just space it out so it's all over the place. You want to make sure you get it all over the place. We want our desserts in the summer, but we don't want to turn on the oven to do it. I'm going to add a little bit more. Just make sure I have butter covering the whole thing. I don't want any part that's not covered with butter. So I'm adding a little bit more. Not even, what is it? It is a tablespoon more. Now what you're going to do, you got it on high. Put the lid on and cook it for 2 hours. I'll be back when it's done. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like done. Thank you for watching.